In this video, I'm going to show you how to get almost any Steam game for cheap using simple methods that most gamers completely overlook. If you regularly buy games on Steam, you already know that prices can add up very quickly. But the truth is, you almost never need to pay full price for a game if you know when and where to look. By using Steam's built-in tools and understanding how their sales work, you can often grab games for 50, 70, or even 90% off. This works for huge AAA games, indie titles, and even games that just came out recently. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can start saving money on your next game purchase. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first and most important method is taking advantage of Steam's seasonal sales. Steam runs several massive sales events every year, including the summer sale, winter sale, autumn sale, and spring sale. During these events, thousands of games receive major discounts, and this is often the cheapest time you will ever see a game on Steam. Some titles drop as much as 90% off during these events. To find these deals, open the Steam store and look for the featured sale banners on the homepage. You can scroll through the discounted categories and see what's currently on sale. Another thing you should always check is the daily deals and weekend deals section. Steam rotates special offers constantly, and sometimes popular games are heavily discounted for only a few days. If you make a habit of checking these sections whenever you open Steam, you'll start spotting incredible deals without much effort. The second trick that many people ignore is using the Steam Wishlist feature. This is one of the easiest ways to make sure you never miss a discount. When you find the game you're interested in, open its store page and click the Add to Wishlist button. Once the game is on your wishlist, Steam will automatically notify you whenever the price drops. You'll get an email notification or a Steam notification telling you the game is on sale. This means you don't have to constantly check the store yourself. Over time, your wishlist becomes a personal deal tracker for all the games you want to buy. Then, when the next big sale happens, you can quickly scan your wishlist and grab the games that are currently discounted. Another useful tip is to wait for the big discount events instead of buying games immediately after release. Many games receive their first major discount just a few months after launch. If you're patient, you can often save a huge amount of money by simply waiting for the next seasonal sale. And that's basically it. By watching Steam's seasonal sales, checking daily and weekend deals, and using the wishlist notifications, you can get almost any Steam game for a fraction of the normal price. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.